If you want to set up an alarm clock on a Nothing Phone 3, all you have to do is find the clock app. So we're going to go to the app drawer, and over here you should be able to find the clock app. So once we are here, you can switch to alarm in the bottom left corner. You should be able to find some example alarm clocks that you can use if you want to. You can just tap on the switchers in order to turn them on or off. And you can tap on the alarm clock itself in order to customize it. You will find some additional options by tapping on this arrow in the top right corner of the alarm. If you want to create your own alarm clock, if you want to set up your own one, you can just press this plus button. Then you can choose when the alarm should go off. So let's say I'm going to set it to 11 a.m. Press OK. Over here we can choose whether the alarm should repeat. We can add a label. We can find some other options, like we can schedule the alarm. We can set the sound that will be played when the alarm goes off, and so on and so forth. And if you want to, you can also delete an alarm by pressing this delete button over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.